Importance of levels. In this video, we will see about what is the importance of the levels. There are two types of levels, static and dynamic. Now, what do we mean by static levels? The levels which are constants are called as static level, and the level which changes are called as dynamic level. For example, this is a daily chart bar which has four components: open, close, high and low. All these levels, say for example open of today, it is a static level that will never change ever. Close of yesterday, that is again a static level. High of yesterday, again a static level. Low of yesterday, again a static level. Now let us take what are dynamic level. Let us take the levels based on moving average. So this is a 9 exponential moving average. So as the closing prices changes, this level changes. So these are the dynamic levels which changes with respect to the change in the price. Now today we will see what is the importance of static levels. Say for example, I have taken today's open. Today's open as a price, and what does today's open indicates? Today's open indicates a single line. The moment you draw this line, your entire chart is divided in two zones, either bearish zone or bullish zone. So the trend above the open is the bullish zone and the trend below the open is the bearish zone. So the moment you take open as a static line, when you are doing the analysis, you get two sections: below open, above open, below open bearish, above open bullish. So once you get this, how do we take the trade based on this? So let me show you. Say you can draw the open line, and then what you can do, then you can expect the same from the open line. If you can take any trend following method. You can take exponential moving average, you can take super trend, you can take simple moving average, you can take weighted moving average. If the price is below the line, below the open and below any of this line, the trend is bearish. And if the price is above the line and above this averages, the trend is bullish. So automatically it gets divided into the two parts, and it helps you in understanding and in analyzing, especially the intraday trades, very effectively and efficiently. So now we will see on what happened in Nifty in today and how you could have made money using this strategy. So let us go to the chart and watch Nifty.
Now we will see that below open the market is bearish. So this was today's day and this was today's open. I have drawn the horizontal line. So below this the market is bearish. So any trade, whether you can take super trade, whether you can take moving average, let me add other study, that is moving average. So I'll take 20 exponential moving average. So whether the market is below the super trend or below the moving average, now what you need to consider, if the market is below moving average, you need to only trade on the shorter side, and if the market is above the moving average, then the long side. So now you will find from here to here the trade was negative, from here to here the trade was negative, and with super trend also I'll just hide the moving average. With super trade also you get many small moves. I am only considering the bearish side move because already below the open the market is bearish. So now when you see this, you will find I have taken few trades. 634 I shorted Nifty, 584 I covered, 594 again shorted, 574 covered, 600 again shorted, 586 covered. Net I have made 10,158 rupees with an investment of 1 to 2 lakhs. So for intraday. So this is how this strategies plays a very important role. Now, if you follow this, you can really make very good money. So here, day before yesterday, this was the open line, and upper open only bullish signal. So this is bullish, bearish signal you need to avoid. And this is also below the open, only bearish signal you need to take. This is the bearish signal, this is the bearish signal, then bullish signal you need to avoid. So in the advanced part, then we see how to take the bullish signal also, but for that you need to study the different theories. So this is before that also day, this is a bearish signal. So this is how you need to take only the sell trade, and this is only the sell trade you need to take. So this is how, guys, the trading is carried out based on the static level open, and this is very good study. Try to analyze it, implement it, and we will come out with various tips and tricks of intraday trading system so that it can benefit you. Thank you.